Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. This is V's Delight. Today I'm going to teach you how I make my vanilla cupcake without any machine. All you need is your mixing bowl and a wooden spatula. Let's get started. First we will need all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, butter, milk, sugar, baking soda, vanilla extract, salt, and then baking powder. I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box with the right measurement, so please do check it out. Now you go ahead to mix all our dry ingredients and then set aside. So I'll go in with a teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and then a pinch of salt. I'll mix everything together and then set aside. In our mixing bowl, I'll go in with half cup of butter and then use the spatula to beat it until smooth. Next, we'll add 3/4 cup granulated sugar. Mix everything for about 5 minutes until the mixture is thick and fluffy. Next, add 2 large room temperature eggs, adding them one at a time, and beat well with each addition. Once the eggs are well combined, we will add 1.5 teaspoons of real vanilla extracts. Please, if you have watched this video this far, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a delightful moment with me. And hey, do not forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Next, we will add the dry mixture and use the spatula to beat it together until well combined. has to go in is the milk. Now we're going to add the milk bit by bit and then use the spatula to mix everything together until we get the consistency that we want. Alright, now there you have it, a nice and smooth cupcake base. Now it's time to fill our cupcake liners. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees and bake for about 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. And there you have it, delicious vanilla cupcakes that are sure to impress. And thank you so much for watching this video all the way today. And please don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe for more tasty recipe from V's Delight. See you in my next video. Bye bye.